Hello students, now here you can see English grammar for class 12, and today I will teach you rules of pronoun. Students, I taught you in my last video the kinds of pronoun, approximate 10 kinds of pronoun I taught you earlier, where personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, indefinite pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, and one more where exclamatory pronoun. What are the different pronouns you have to identify? Otherwise, it is quite difficult to use it in a sentence. So first of all, you will prepare yourself to identify the pronoun. Then you can use it in a sentence. So let us see here rules of pronoun. So see here on the blackboard, as you have here, you will find 4 rules on the blackboard. So see one by one how we will use the same rule on the basis of pronoun. The first rule, any pronoun is used according to the person, number and gender of the previous noun. Once again see, any pronoun is used as according to the person, number and gender of the previous noun. किसी भी प्रोनाउन का पर्सन, नंबर तथा जेंडर उसके पूर्ववर्ती नाउन के अनुसार ही प्रयोग किया जाता है. अब आप इसको एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ समझ सकते हैं. राहुल has done his homework. Now you can see here in the sentence, Rahul has done his homework. Now this is the pronoun. Word here his. You will find the possessive case of the pronoun. So it is used according to the Rahul. Rahul is a male. According to Rahul, his. If there is Sweta has done, then you will use your her. Sweta has done her homework. It means to say, when you will change the noun, certainly your pronoun will be also changed. Will also be changed according to the noun. Boys have done their homework. Now, boys are in plural sense, na? So, boys have done their homework. Rahul has done his homework. Sweta has done her homework. So, what I mean? I mean to say, the first rule, any person is used according to, any pronoun is used according to person, number and gender of the noun. Is that clear? So now, see your second rule. Rule number 2. If two singular noun connected with and, make it very clear. If two singular noun connected with and, so pronoun is used before these singular nouns. So the word and pronoun will be in singular number. Once again see, if two singular noun connected with and each and every is used before it. दो सिंगुलर नाउन यदि एंड से जुड़े हों, पहले ध्यान दीजिए, यदि दो सिंगुलर नाउन एंड से जुड़े हों और उन दोनों सिंगुलर नाउन के पूर्व ईच या एवरी का प्रयोग किया गया हो, तो वो सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन के साथ ही प्रयोग किया जाएगा, यानी उनके पश्चात सिंगुलर वर्ब और सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन का ही प्रयोग करते हैं। हालांकि आपको इस बात के बारे में बता दें कि जब दो कोई नाउन एंड से जुड़ जाए तो वो प्लूरल हो जाता है। ये तो बात समझ में आ रही है। जैसे राहुल एंड श्वेता आर लिविंग इन दिस कॉलोनी। राहुल एंड श्वेता आर, यहां पर आर यानी प्लूरल हो गया। इसी प्रकार से अगर हम इसको प्रोनाउन के अंतर्गत यूज करते हैं तो डियर का प्रयोग हो जाएगा। तो ये कहने का तात्पर्य ये है कि यदि दो सिंगुलर नाउन एंड से जुड़ गए लेकिन उनके पहले ईच या एवरी आ गया तो वो प्लूरल ना होकर के सिंगुलर फॉर्म में आ जाते हैं। ईच बॉय एंड एवरी गर्ल हैज डन, यहां हैज का प्रयोग किया गया, या यूं कह सकते हैं ईच मैन and every boy has done his homework. Now here you will find it the singular form of verb as well as singular pronoun in a sentence. That's it means. So जो हम बताना चाहते थे यूं हो गया, every boy, each boy या every boy and each boy and every, every man has completed his work. You can see here each boy is singular number, boy is your singular number, man is also singular number but connected with and. So you can use here each boy and every man, but verb is also in singular form. In the same way his, here you will find his, this is in a singular form. दो एंड से जुड़े होने के बावजूद भी वो प्लूरल न होकर के सिंगुलर प्रयोग किए जाते हैं। ईच बॉय यानी प्रत्येक लड़का और प्रत्येक आदमी हैज कंप्लीटेड हिज वर्क, अपने कार्य को पूरा कर चुका है। अब आप इसी के अनुरूप, इसी के विपरीत थर्ड रूल को देखिए। इफ टू आर मोर देन टू सिंगुलर नाउन आर कनेक्टेड विथ आइदर आर, नाइदर नार, देन वी यूज सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन। अगर दो या दो से अधिक सिंगुलर नाउन आइदर आर, नाइदर नार से जुड़े हों तो वहां पर हम क्या प्रयोग करते हैं? वहां पर सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन का प्रयोग करते हैं। इसके लिए भी आपको एक एग्जांपल के साथ हम आपको समझाते हैं। यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड विद एन एग्जांपल। आइदर राहुल आर done his work. You can see here either Rahul or his friend. यहाँ Rahul is also in singular form, his friend is also in singular form. But you will find the verb also in a singular form as well as the pronoun. Here pronoun is also in singular form. Either Rahul or his friend has done his work. But rule number 4, you will see rule number 4. If a singular noun and a plural noun are connected with either or neither nor, then what will you do? You will use your plural noun just in the last of the sentence, and just according it you will use your plural pronoun. Either Radha or her sisters have done their homework. Here you see, either Radha or her sisters. Sisters are in plural form. So just according to sister, you will use your verb and you will use your pronoun. Pronoun will be in plural form. Verb also will be in plural form. So this is what your 4 rules here.